had a radiator hose come off, and we were too focused on the road to realize that the car was overheating. So we got some help, and we got the car going again, but we limped it along for another like 15 or so miles, and it started to overheat again. So we shut it off and coasted the side of the road again, and then tried it, and I'm pretty sure the motor's locked up in it. But good news, that motor was junk anyway, and we were gonna put a new motor in it and all-wheel drive. We just weren't gonna do it starting tomorrow. So now we're riding in the back of the van going down I-70.